Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! This time we're gonna install this. It came in this kind of package. It came with 2 screws and with the plastic normal one like this. I sprayed it black gloss. So it goes on top and it all will look shiny and nice. Now, obviously we will need a trim removal tool to get all the tools. I use the Phillips or Plus screwdriver on a drill and hand one. This I use for prying a bit. I use the solder and a solder flux. There you go. This is the information about the solder. Electrical tape, a bit of marker to do it crooked still. I use a drill bit which is 4/8 or just 5, size 5 drill bit. Obviously, wire strippers, spade connectors, 15 amp male, 15 amp spade connectors female. Let's go at the car and see where we can install this at the back. I kind of want it somewhere here to install it, so it's like the back passengers have, or if you have somebody at the back, kids or anything else, and you can have like USB-C, USB charging, but where? This is kind of looking ugly. So I'm gonna remove this console. We're gonna do the rest stuff on the bench. And what I'm thinking about power. As you know, here is a USB. Here is a cigarette lighter. I think of splicing it in and giving power from the cigarette lighter, but I'll tell you that once we're out. Or we might even put it here. That's, hey, that's more like, because here it's kind of at an angle. This is sloped. See, this is sloped. That's flat. Hey, that's a good idea. Put it here. Yeah. I think we can put it there. But first, here's an ashtray. First, we need to remove this. So let's start by removing this, and then we figure things out how it goes. Here we are. This is the underside. The plug is right here for the cigarette and everything else. So the wiring is right here. And if you can see right here, It's actually a perfect place. This is upside down, remember, so this is how it comes. That's the top. So somewhere around here. So the wire comes out here, route it around here, and connect to this. Basically, yeah. And nothing will rub here, scratch or anything like that. So firstly, need to drill a hole this big, somewhere around there, like right there. Then we just go and, but for now let's drill a hole and attach this. I want the red one to reach here. But obviously this won't happen with the original one. So I have these extensions with a 10 amp fuse in it. Here is a 10 amp fuse. This is a 10 amp fuse and it goes in here. So this is fused. Now the cable is extended. I'm gonna put electrical tape on top just to make sure that nothing comes apart or nothing touches nothing. You don't have to really do this, but I'm doing it because I want to be extra safe. So nothing burns down, the car doesn't burn down, nothing like that happens. Because wiring is wiring and voltage is voltage. You better make 2 safeties than 1 non-safe. Like, I have a fuse right here, something, and I have a fuse at the car. So rather than the car burns down, there's a fuse that pops. This is not pretty. This is not the prettiest work, prettiest job what I ever done or ever will do. But this is more than enough to be safe. Now we will need to get into this wiring and solder it into the wiring. You heard it right, solder. Why? Because I don't want to twist and tape. That's how you get fires. well, it's not beautiful, and as you can see, I'm an amateur. I cannot do this like I have practiced for years. This is my 4th or 6th time doing something like this. So as you can see, I spliced it in. I don't twist and tape. I'll just solder it together and then tape it together. As you can see, it's not beautiful, and it doesn't need to be. It needs to function. So now let's go install in car and try to test this out. There you go, installed. Once there isn't a light, can't really see it, so nice. That's all, that's installed, that's fully there. Now, if I did something wrong, or you have tips or tricks how I could have done easier, faster or better, then obviously leave it in comments down below, because I'm just learning. I haven't done that. Actually, this thing, what I just did, I did it for the first time. Usually just plug and play, and it's often like it goes into the exact same plug, but this time I had to splice in everything else. If you have done something else, something differently, tell me in the comments down below so we all can learn. Hope this video helped at least a little bit, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.